We move on to question 18. Which of the following is an open source revision stroke version control system? A. NumPy, B. Git, C. CP, and D. Loft. Now, this was not an easy question, particularly to the candidates who have no knowledge in software development. This question required a candidate to have knowledge in software development. It's not an easy one for one who has who does not have such knowledge. So in an exam, what do? You try and you try elimination method. If all these terms are totally new, then you may rely on guesswork. You don't leave it blank, you guess, right? But we are going to answer it by looking at the various terms as used in the question, beginning with NumPy. Now, NumPy is a Python library for scientific computing that provides tools for working with large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. Git is an open source revision stroke version control system that is used to manage changes to a source code, documents, and other files. It is a distributed system that allows multiple users to do what? To work on the same project at the same time. And it also tracks changes to the project over time, allowing the users to roll back to previous versions if necessary. It is a widely used software development tool, and it is a key tool for collaborating on projects and managing changes to code and other files. So candidates, this is the answer to this question. Git is an open source revision stroke version control system. CP is not an open revision control system. In fact, it is just a Python library for scientific computing that provides tools for optimization. It can also be used in linear algebra, signal processing, and other areas of scientific computing. I don't know much about Loft, but what I know is that it's a method to create complicated 3D shapes in what we call CAD, the computer-aided design software. So it is a method to create complicated smooth 3D shapes in computer-aided design software. So therefore, Loft is not an open version control system. So the answer here is Git, which I've said is an open source revision stroke version control system that is used to manage changes to source code, documents, and other files. So the answer to question 18, Business Data Analytics, December 2022, is B, Git.